Well, here we are, ladies and gentlemen, number 28 Balerno Circle, right here in the heart of Gowanbrae. My name is Jason Barbara, and today we have a gorgeous, low-maintenance, 3-bedroom villa unit on offer. Neat in design, ready to move straight in, close to absolutely all amenities anybody could desire. Well, let's now go through Take a Wonder. Well, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. What a fantastic opportunity we have on offer here today. This property is going to suit a huge demographic of buyer. Whether you're the family, the investor, first home buyer, downsizer, this property absolutely ticks all the boxes. Please contact myself or David Vaughan to organise a private inspection today. Once again, thank you for taking the online tour.